Yes, my people, good day. There's a big debate going on right now whether we should warm your car up or just start it up and take off. Boy, let me tell you. You see what it looks like out here. Frosty. We're not even talking about the snowman. The debate is raging. Experts say that you should not warm your car up. You should start it up and take off with quote unquote moderate throttle. It is the safest for your engine. If you quote, if you leave it idling, it could damage your engine. I'm waiting for the specifics of what is being damaged because of what. I can't find it. So experts say. Now the thing with that statement, we need to know who we're talking to. Is it Rastamanbuilds or is it one of the other, people on here talking about car stuff? Them not naming anybody because nobody don't want to be liable for an engine that spun a rod or a cam journal that got wiped because you start the vehicle up and took off. You understand? So when I hear these studies come out or these statements being made by anonymous individuals, I take it with a grain of salt and lean back on what I've been doing for the past 20-something years and never had an issue. I know coming up, oil is thicker, so therefore not as viscous. Are that the right word? If it's too thick, it can't flow through the tight spaces. Them. You warm up the engine, oil get thinner, can get into all the crevices. I have a friend going back and forth with me on this. He have a Porsche. And he might say, yo, that's what I'm saying. So me leave it at this. You go visit the new school. Let me know how it worked for you. I will stay over here and hold the order. And then now we compare results here in a few years. You understand? So, long story short, I will be warming up my engine, getting it up to temperature so I can defrost my glass and then also warm up inside of my cabin so I can be comfortable. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless you. And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.